Hi, to use button control on your QCY T1C earbuds, as a first step, make sure that they are connected to the phone via Bluetooth. To check this, we will need to go in the settings. From here, we need to choose Bluetooth, make sure it is turned on, and make sure you can see the status connected near the name of your device. So mine are disconnected because to connect them, we'll need to take them out of the charging case and tap it, tap on the name of the device, and now they are connected. So after that, we will need to find, download and open this QCY app, which looks like that, and also make sure that the earbuds are connected to the app as well, and in that case you would see some settings which you can adjust. So to use button control, we will need to go in this setting, and here we can see some gestures which we can customize. So firstly, those buttons are placed on the top of each earbud right here. You can press them, and now we can customize left earbud and right one. We can enable single touch, double touch, and triple touch. So let's go in single touch first, and here we got playback and pause. So let's try this out. I'm gonna open my music app, and now I need to find my left earbud and press it once to pause a song. Let's try this out, and yep, it's working. Let's press again, and now the song is playing. Great. Now let's go back in this app. Here you can tap on the touch section and select something else, for example, voice assistant or volume up. Let's select volume up, and now I'm gonna single press on the left earbud, and here you can see that volume increases. You can also select for the right earbud volume down, for example, and now you need to press once on the right earbud to decrease volume, and here you can see that it is working. So as for double touch, we can choose, for example, triggering voice assistant, which is default feature. You need to double tap your earbud to trigger voice assistant, your left earbud. So let's try this out. 1, 2. And now Siri is enabled, so yep, it's working. And now let's customize the right one. Here we got voice assistant as well. We can select, for example, skip track backward, and for the left we can switch to skip track forward. Let's try this out. And now to go to the previous track, we will need to double press left earbud. Let's try this out. I'm gonna double press it, and yep. Now let's go to the next track. For this, I'm gonna double press my right earbud. And yep, it's working as well. So just double press and check it by yourself. Let's go back in this app, and here we can also enable triple touch. So we can select something from the list, or you can select none option, which is default here, so you can disable triple touch. Let's choose here voice assistant as we did before, and for the right as well. So now I'm gonna triple touch left and right earbuds and test it. And yep, Siri enables. Let's try the right earbud. And yes, it's working as well. Not done yet, because we can also control calls with the help of these buttons. So for example, when someone is calling you and you want to answer this call, you will need to single press any of your earbuds like that. And now you just answer this phone call. Press again and you'll end the conversation. Now, if someone is calling you and you want to reject this incoming call, you will need to press both controllers at the same time for about 3 seconds and release the buttons, and now call is ended. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.